So this remedy is for those that want to have a younger hand. You want to have a soft, uniform hand. Continue washing. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So like the title says, this video is for everyone. Okay, this is for everyone, no matter the age you are. This will make those that have wrinkles, even if you're 80, even if you're 90, even if you're 50, 60, no matter the age you are. Applying this treatment on your hand will help to soften, get rid of dry, flaky hands, make your hands uniform. For those that have dark hands, you know, it will not be attractive when you have dark hands. So applying this treatment on your hand will help to get rid of anything, dull hands, wrinkles on the hands, and make you look younger. So it's not only taking care of your face, you have to take care of your neck, your hand, your feet to make you appear younger. Applying it will help to reverse your age on your hand. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips like this, using natural way to look younger, to look beautiful. Even with no makeup, you'll be looking so beautiful always. So I have some few ingredients here and I'm going to be introducing them one after the other for you. Look at me. I don't have any makeup and just purely natural. So you can as well make use of this treatment to look beautiful even with no makeup. You can stay at home and looking your natural self with no blemishes. You can as well make use of this treatment on your face, not only for your hand. Just telling you how safe it is. Alright, you can see this milky liquid here. This will help to erase those signs of aging like magic. Consider subscribing, like this video and share this video. Let's go. I have cornstarch here. Cornstarch reverses the age of your skin. Applying it on the surface of your skin will go a long way to firm, get rid of saggy skin by firming it. Applying cornstarch on your skin or anything that has cornstarch, you will notice the firming effects of your face or anywhere you apply it. That shows that tightening, like it's going to tighten your skin and make you have a younger looking skin. Also, it helps to tighten skin pores. For those that have large open pores, prone to acne, always having greasy face, it will help to correct it and make your skin flawless. So the next one I make use of is sugar. I love sugar a lot when it comes to hydration. Like sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid, a very mild acid suitable for the skin that will help to hydrate your skin, make your skin supple, uniform. It makes your skin glowing. Like those that have dry, flaky skin, just add sugar. You will notice that your skin will glow. Like you will love the result. Also, sugar helps to exfoliate the skin to get rid of dead skin cells. The result will give you a uniform complexion. Like your skin will look the same. No darkness, light, dark, light, like same complexion. You will love it. Sugar helps to get rid of dead skin cells and the result is amazing. Alright, so the next one is yogurt. Try to get yogurt. You can see that almost everything I have here are from the kitchen. Like yogurt is very natural. Yogurt contains lactic acid. If you don't have yogurt, you can make use of milk powder or milk liquid. Yogurt helps to firm the skin, it tightens the skin, it freshens the skin, it smoothens the skin. Like this is something that you need in your beauty treatment. So the next one is aloe vera gel. Like I always say, make use of any brand. You can even use your fresh aloe vera from the garden. Okay, aloe vera helps to soothe irritated skin. It helps to hydrate, moisturize the skin, gets rid of dry skin, removes wrinkles. Like all these ingredients contains anti-aging properties that will help to give you a perfect result. Your hair will look so naturally uniform, glowing. Like it will look supple, it will look fresh no matter the age you are. Go on and try it. Come and thank me later. So you have to get all these ingredients and then I'll be introducing an oil for you to apply at the end of this. But for now, you have to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, then 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can see mine is watery, and that is because I added just 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want to mix, you have to add more of sugar to thicken it. So I can as well thicken it now. It's not late anyway, but I'm just telling you to add 3 tablespoons or more of sugar. As you are mixing it, you have to be looking at it. If it's thick, you have to add yogurt or aloe vera gel to make it the way you want. If it's so watery, increase the quantity of cornstarch or sugar. So you have to mix very well. Okay, so wash your hand or your feet anywhere you want to apply, or your face. Then you have to just rub it. Like I said earlier, mine is watery. Please thicken it. But one thing about cornstarch is that the more it stays, when it settles in the bowl, it's going to thicken. It will no longer be watery. So just wash out. Just apply it on your hand. Okay, apply it. Just apply it. Okay, so this is a powerful treatment that works gradually, but you will notice a perfect result. Do not joke with this treatment because you will love it. So go for the other hand as well. Apply. Wrinkles will not go out overnight. Of course, it will not go out overnight. It took ages to acquire, so you don't have to expect it to go out overnight. If you don't have wrinkles, apply this treatment to make your skin flawless, younger, smooth, fresh. Like, I don't have wrinkles, but I always use it. I've been using it years ago, and I don't have any dry hand or any form. So just take care of your skin before it's too late. So after applying it like this, if your remedy is thick, you can exfoliate because of the sugar. Okay, mine is watery. I can decide to leave it on like this or just rub it. Leave it on to dry. Do this every day. Leave it on 15 minutes, 20 minutes or above. After when it has dried, you have to rinse it out using normal temperature water. Like when you are treating wrinkles or you want to firm your skin, you don't need something hot or something very warm. Just a normal temperature water is okay. Rinse it out. Okay, so I'm going to allow mine to dry. Okay, I'll rinse it out. I'll be right back. So after rinsing it out, you need to moisturize it so that it will not be dried out. Anytime you make use of a mask, a treatment like this, you need to rinse out and moisturize your skin to avoid looking so dry or staying dry. So this is a very good exfoliating ingredient. So you need a good moisturizing oil that will nourish your hand. This is rosehip oil. So rosehip oil nourishes the skin, it glows the skin, it hydrates and moisturizes. So apply it on your hand. You will love the results. This is immediately after making use of this treatment. Come and thank me later. So in case you apply this treatment on your hand, on your face, you have to also follow the process by applying rosehip oil. I love rosehip oil because it's very penetrating. It will not clog your pores. It will not give you oily face because it's a light oil. So this is so good that you will love your skin. Like, you will surely love your skin. Go on and apply it on your feet as well to make your feet uniform, to get rid of dry feet, remove wrinkles on your feet. Stay young always by applying this treatment, and you will never regret it. This treatment is something that you can apply any time of the day, like just anytime. Just follow the instructions and you never regret it. So go on and try it and you love the results. Okay, so I have very good skincare products. If you want to purchase, we ship worldwide. You surely love your skin. The products are safe, out of chemicals. The result of these products will give you a lovely glowing skin. We also have skin firming products that will take away wrinkles. Like after making use of this natural product I just displayed now, you surely need good products, good soap, good lotion, good oils, good facial care to nourish your skin and stay young with no side effects. So go on and order yours. You can see that contact number or WhatsApp number. Just reach out to us. We'll get you a good product for you. So go on and make these masks. Apply on your hand or your feet or your face to look younger, to reverse aging process, to smoothen your hand, to stay fresh, to take away wrinkles, dry hands, and make you look attractive. Your skin will stay uniform and glowing. just naturally beautiful. Make use of this treatment 3 times weekly or every day if you want for best result. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video, and also like this video. I'll see you in my next video.